Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this beautiful earring which can be used for party purposes as well. You can wear to grace yourself in parties as well. This pattern is very easy to make and the techniques that I have applied in making this project are chains and single crochet. So even a beginner can try to make this. So we are going to begin now. Things that we require for this project are a yarn of your choice. I am going to use a leftover yarn for this project, a cutter, thread and needle, an earring, few beads to decorate, a hanging piece and a hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn. So let's get started. At first we have to pick up the tail of the yarn, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through to make a slip knot. Now wrap the yarn on your hook, pull through, pull through, pull through and pull through. These are 4 chains. We have to go back to the 4th chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch. Now foundation ring is ready. Now we have to make chain 1, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, single crochet 1, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, single crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to join the stitches into the chain that we have made earlier with slip stitch. Chain 1 again. Now on the top of the 4th stitch, single crochet 1, single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Into the next stitch, single crochet 1, into the same stitch, single crochet 2. So in this round we have to make 2 single crochet into a stitch across the round. So complete the round and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When this round is complete, we have to join the stitches into the 4th stitch. So insert the hook in, pull through both the loops. Now on the top of each stitch of the previous round, we have to make 1 single crochet. So complete the round by making 1 single crochet and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When this round is complete, we have to pick up this ring. Now insert the hook into the 4th stitch, pull through 2. In this way we have to add the pattern to the earring using this single crochet. So complete the round following the same pattern and we will meet again when this circle would be joined to this earring. When we have completed making single crochet and this pattern is joined to the earring, we have to cut the yarn from here. Now pull through and pull through tightly. Now we have to hide the yarn behind the stitches. Now we are going to add beads to the pattern. Now with the help of needle and thread, we have to add these beads on the top of the earring. So just use simple stitches to stitch these beads to the top of the earring. So complete adding or stitching these beads to the top of the earring, and we will meet again when we have completed doing this half a way. When we have completed adding these beads half a way, we added this beautiful hanging to the middle of the earring. Then we continued adding beads till the end of the row. Now this beautiful pair of earring is complete. This can be a very good gifting option as well. You can adorn yourself by wearing this on occasions and for party purposes as well. Thank you so much.